Hello guys, today I want to unbox this compressor for motorcycle. It's called like Stop and Go. I like this form factor because it's mini air compressor and it's recommended for motorcycles, scooters, bicycles, so basically everything except like a big car, a regular car. So it says it requires 12 volt 6 amp draw, so it's like 72 watts compressor. It has built-in LED light, which is good. It can provide pressure till 50 psi. So it has SI connector, it has 66-inch power cord, it has a fuse, it has like alligator clips. So yeah, let's see what we have here in the box. So let's go. Okay, so in the box here we have some important notice. So it's basically, I believe, yeah, so it just says it's not intended for use on truck or automobile tires, only motorcycle, scooters and ATV. Okay, this is like small instruction. It says what we have in the box: cords, extension, alligator clips, adapters. Okay, so here we have like a pretty compact, nice bag with zip. Everything like pretty compact, fits inside. Let's see what we have here. So we have compressor by itself. We have alligator clip. Oh, this is interesting. Alligator clip which has a SI adapter on the other end. So basically, if you want to help your friend on the road or another biker on the road, and other motorcycle doesn't really have this SI connector, so you can just connect to other motorcycle battery like plus and minus and have this SI connector in a minute. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Here we have some adapters for ball, for inflatable bed or mattress. Okay, so what's next? Next we have here this is adapter for car lighter, right? And other end is SI connector. So basically, if you have this lighter adapter on your motorcycle, you can use this as well and have SI connector. Again, in a minute. So we have two ways to power up our compressor and the compressor by itself. So say Stop and Go. I believe this is just a sticker. I remember I saw like other branding, the same compressor but other branding, but I really like this form factor and this rugged plastic. It feels like durable, and the glass, you see the glass of this like pressure monitor, it's like put it a little bit down, so if anything can try to break it, some like object or asphalt or road or stone, flat stone, it's obviously cannot reach the glass, and this is a good stuff, right? So we have a hose here. Hose pretty short, right? But again, it's a mini compressor. It's just like, you know, your last chance something happened on the road and you have no ability to ride or tow, and you want to fix this problem on the go, right on the road, I mean. So yeah, it should be okay. You put it, yeah, okay. Here we have a button, obviously on, off, very informative click, pretty nice. And here we have, I believe, our power cable, right? Okay, so we have, here is some small cave where the cable is hiding. Okay, so we have a cable, I believe 60 inches or something, and we have this side connector, right, which is nice. So usually on motorcycle you can have a pigtail, right, which connected directly to your battery, so you can connect, plug it, and use your compressor. If you don't have a pigtail, you can use this one. You just connect it, connect to any battery that you can find on the road, right? Your buddy, like anybody who stopped to help you, or your motorcycle, you just connect and you're ready to go. Also, you can use the second wire which goes with this kit, and this goes to cigarette lighter, right? Okay guys, so yeah, I'm pretty impressed, and I like form factor of this compressor. And as I said before, I like this the size, and let me show you the size. So it's something like 3 3/4 inch by 4 1/4, and here it's about like less than 2 inches, and everything goes to this compact bag, zipped bag. So stop and go. Yeah, I like the compact size, I like the rugged plastic corpus, I mean body, and I like how this pressure monitor gauge is pushed down so it cannot be broken, and I like this button, and I like 2 ways of powering our compressor, basically 2 additional plus the third, which is standard, which is pigtail on your motorcycle. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative, helpful for you. If you're looking for some small compressor which can be helpful on the road, or can be just your motorcycle kind of insurance on the road. So yeah, please thumbs up, click subscribe if you want to see more videos, and see you again on my channel soon. Hey, bye bye.